The image of a distant ship, small and faded in the liquid ground, a vessel that might dissolve into the sea, be ingested by it, or pass so far away that vision reaches its limit, gives in and starts improvising. This open, bright image is inhaled by the internal dissolve instruction. The internal of the lungs may be, who doesn't breathe deeply when facing the sea? The boat is then dissolved, fizzing away to nothing. It has been consumed, used up as image and idea, for our purposes at least. What would it be to dissolve internally, or to fade? The statues are in the Archaeological Museum of Piraeus, and not Marseille at all. It is tourist footage, wavering and curious.
The night mode I want to explain is very sensitive. So if I try to zoom it on the camcorder itself, watch this, watch what happens. You get like that car went by, right? It's like a trail effect, I call it. Like if I take my hand and wave it across the lens, you get that trail effect. I didn't mean to do that, but I just want to show you what I was talking about. See how that car is not going that slow. And this is the night mode on the JVC. The Canon was not like that. So I guess the night mode on the JVC is a lot better. What I would recommend for night mode, this might be the true, real, I never used night mode in my life ever, but this must be the true look for night mode. Wouldn't you people agree? I mean, look at this. It looks beautiful. This is the JVC.
The statement grounds the scene in the practicalities of how it will be afforded. In this case by theft, a particular sort of extraction. The imaginary budget and its limits equal to the other imaginations and limitations accumulating here, articulating what it costs and takes, in all senses, to make absolutely anything at all.
Let me try to see if I can get the moon without being noticeable in the window tonight. Let's see. Where's the moon tonight? Let me zoom out. Here's the moon. There's the moon. Well, this is the wrong mode. Can't use night mode for the moon.